Good day, ladies and gents. Welcome to BK Mathematics. And this is the continuation of example 4, 3, and 4. We have treated example 1, 2, and the others. So these are the last example on limit of rational. We have example 5 and example 6. Let's look at this example 5, after which we are going to solve the last example now. We have to evaluate x tends to 2. That is, the function that we are given is x squared minus 7x plus 10 divided by x squared minus 4. Now to solve this one, let's try to simplify this quadratic equation that we are given using factorization method. We have x squared minus 7x plus 10. This is what we are given. To simplify this one, we say by factorization method. Now here we are going to use two numbers. If you multiply two numbers, you are going to have 10. Add or subtract the two numbers, it will give you 7. That is, if you use 2 times 5, we know 2 times 5, it is 10. 2 plus 5 will give you 7. So automatically, these are the two numbers that we are coming to use for us to factorize this quadratic equation that we have. Now we say x squared minus 2x plus minus 5x plus 10. Now let's group them 2 by 2. So what is the common factor here? It is x. Into what it means is x minus 2. The same thing, what is common here? It is minus 5 into x minus 2. Then we group them. We say x minus 5 into x minus 2. Now we have factorized this quadratic equation that we have. Let's use another method to factorize this other quadratic equation. This is x squared minus 4. Here, we just need to use complete difference of 2 square. This becomes x squared minus 2 raised to the power 2. We know 2 raised to the power 2 giving you 4. Then, applying difference of 2 square on it, giving you x plus 2 into x minus 2. Okay. Now, we know the whole question asks us to evaluate this function. Now, instead of x squared minus 7x plus 10, we have it already as x minus 5 into x minus 2 divided by, instead of x squared minus 2 also, we have it already as x plus 2 into x minus 2. And x minus 2 cancelling each other. Then what remains is x minus 5 into x plus 2. Here, remember, we are given x tends to 2, meaning we have to substitute this x inside this function that we have now. We applied substitution in formula. This is x, and we have x as 2 minus 5 divided by, this is x also, and x is 2 plus 2. 2 minus 5, it is minus 3 divided by 4 respectively. So our answer becomes minus 3 upon 4 for example 5. Let's look at example 6 also. Here we just need to apply the same thing again. It again evaluate limit x tends to -1, that is x cubed plus 1 divided by x plus 3. Like I said in my previous video on the limit of a function, always if you are given the value of x, if you test to substitute it in the function that you are given, automatically you will have 0. And to have 0, you must do something. Like for this, we just need to apply the long division method on polynomial function. Then we say x plus 1 divided by x cubed plus 1. Okay. Now if this x cancels 1x on x cubed, what will remain is this x squared. Then x squared times x giving you x cubed plus x squared times 1 is this x squared. After which we subtract 2 out. This is x now. This is minus. So x cubed minus x cubed is 0. This is minus x squared plus 1. The same thing, if this x cancels 1x on minus x squared, you are going to have minus x that will remain. So minus x times x is minus x squared minus x times plus 1 is minus x. Let's group them and subtract also. This is 0. We know this one becomes plus now. This is plus x plus 1. The same thing, how many times x goes into x? It is 1 times. So 1 times x is x Plus times plus, we know it is plus, and 1 times 1 is 1. Then let's do the same thing again. We group them and subtract by the negative sign. X minus x is 0. This one is 0. This is also 0. Therefore, we say x cubed, the factorization function for x cubed plus 1 becomes x plus 1 into x squared, that is this, minus x plus 1. So this is factorization function for x cubed plus 1. Then, but the whole question is asking us to evaluate this function. Now, instead of this, we have it already as x plus 1 into x squared plus x squared minus x plus 1. Then we divide everything by x plus 1. We know x plus 1 cancelling x plus 1. So this cancelling this one. Then what remains? We have x squared minus x plus 1. But remember, x tends to negative 1. If x tends to negative 1, we substitute now. This is minus 1 raised to the power 2 minus into x is given as negative 1 plus 1. Minus 1 squared, just like minus 1 times minus 1, this is 1. Minus minus, it is plus 1 plus 1. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1, automatically your answer becomes 3 respectively. So this is the answer that we have for example 6. Thank you for watching. Make sure you share for that to benefit. Okay. Hope to see you in the next video on limits of infinity.